Good morning, students. Today I will start class 7 maths, chapter 7, unitary method, and this is session 2. Okay, in session 1 we have just already completed exercise 7a. So now I will complete exercise 7b. First question: the cost of 3 by 5 kg of ghee is 96 rupees. Cost of 3 by 5 kg of ghee is rupees 96. So cost of 1 kg ghee is equal to 96 by 3 into 5. 3 32 are 32 into 5, 160 rupees. Okay, and first we have to find one cost of 1 kg ghee. So cost of 1 kg ghee is rupees 160. Now we have to find the cost of 5 by 8 kg ghee. Cost of 5 by 8 kg ghee is equal to 160 into 5 by 8. Cut 20 times 25 is 100. So cost of 5 by 8 kg ghee is rupees 100. Question number 2 is same like question number 1. I hope you can solve it. So I am going to solve question number 3. See question number 3. A wristwatch loses 10 seconds in every 8 hours. A wristwatch loses 10 seconds in every 8 hours. In every 8 hours. So in 1 second, 8 by 10. We have to find in how much time will it lose 15 seconds. Watch will loses 15 seconds in 8 by 10 into 15. 5 2s are 5 3s are 2 4s are 4 3s are 12 hours. So it will take 12 hours. Okay. Question number 4, you can solve it. I am going to solve question number 5. Question number 5. 50 men mow 32 hectares of land in 3 days. Okay. So see, 50 men, 32 hectares in 3 days. So you have to find how many days. Okay. Will 15 men, 32 hectares, and how many days? I don't know what is the day. So let it be X. Cut 32, 3 5s are and 5 10s are. So it will take 10 days. Here 6 and 7 is very easy. Okay, you have to try and you can solve it. Question number 8. All the questions are very easy. If you will try, you will solve by yourself only. Clear? Question number 8. See, a truck uses 20 liters of diesel for 240 kilometers. If a truck uses 20 liters for 240 kilometers. So in 1 kilometer, 240 by 20, that means 1 liter is equal to 12 kilometers. So you have to find how many liters will be needed for 1200 kilometers. For 1200 kilometer is equal to 1200 by 12 is equal to 100 liter. Am I clear? Now question number 9. Okay, I'm going to solve question number 9, and then after last question, question number 10, you can solve it very easily. Okay, garrison of 1200 men had provision for 15 days. See, 1200 men, 15 days. So if 600 men increased by 600 men, so 600 men, how many days? Okay, if I'll increase 600, so 1200 and plus 600 we can write 1800, cut 600 2 ja, 600 3 ja, 3 5 ja, 5 2 ja, 10. Okay, so it will take 10 days. Okay, question number 10 is very easy. I hope you can solve it. Okay, now in next session we will complete exercise C and the chapter also. Thank you. Good morning, students. Today I will start class 7 math, chapter 7, unitary method, and this is session 3. So today I will start exercise 7C. We have already completed exercise 7 and 7B in session 1 and 2. So today I will start exercise 7C. First question: A can do a piece of work in 6 days. See, A can do a work in 6 days. So A can do in 1 day is equal to 1 by 6. B can do a work in 8 days. So B can do in 1 day is equal to 1 by 8. Both can do in 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8. If you will take LCM, you will get 24. 6 4 ja and 8 3 ja is equal to 7 by 24. Then both A and B can do a work in 24 by 7 days. Okay, now I will reverse it. I will write 24 by 7 days. Clear? Now question number 2. A and B working together can do a piece of work in 10 days. Okay, A and B complete work in 10 days. So A and B work in 1 day is equal to 1 by 10. B alone can do the same work in 15 days. B can complete the work in 15 days. So B work in 1 day is equal to 1 by 15. So I have to find A alone take. How long will A alone take to do work in same day? A alone can complete work is equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15. If we will take LCM, we will get 30. 10 3 ja, 5 2 ja. That means 1 by 30. So A can complete a work in 30 days. Okay. Now question number 3. A can do a piece of work in 4 days, B in 5 days. A can do a work in 4 days, so A can do in 1 day. 1 day is equal to 1 by 4. B can do a work in 5 days, so B can do it in 1 day is equal to 1 day is equal to 1 by 5. So if they will work together, first question, A and B. If A and B will work together, then 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 will take LCM 20, 4 5s are 5 4s are. So A and B will complete in 9 by 20. In 1 day they will complete 9 by 20. Second question, 2 days. So simply 9 by 20 multiply 2 will got 9 by 10. That much work will complete. See what part of work will be left after they have worked together for 2 days. So left work after 2 days. So this is the work of 2 days. After 2 days, left work is equal to 1 minus 9 by 10. We will take LCM 10. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1 by 10 work will be left. Okay. Question number 4 is very easy. I hope you can solve it. Now I am going to solve question number 5. Okay. See, A, B, C can do a piece of work in 12, 15 and 20 days. So A, B and C can do a work in 12, 15 and 20 days. 12, 15 and 20 days. Okay, respectively. Then A, B, and C can do a work in 1 day. 1 day is equal to 1 by 12, 1 by 15 and 1 by 20. So if they work together, then 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. If we will take LCM, we will get 60. So 12 5s are, 15 4s are and 20 3s are. So 5 4 9 3, 12 by 60, cut 1 by 5. So A, B and C can do a work in 5 days. Okay. Now question number 6. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is same. So I am going to solve question number 6 and you have to solve question number 7, 8, 9, 10. Am I clear? See, 2 taps can fill a cistern in 10 hours and 8 hours respectively. 2 can tap fill a cistern in 10 hours and 8 hours. And 8 hours respectively. Okay, so 2 tap can fill in 1 hour is equal to 1/10 and 1/8. Third cistern can empty it in 15 hours. So third tap work in 1 hour is equal to 1/15. If they all open together, then they can fill it in, see, if all of them are open, if all will open together, then 1/10 plus 1/8 minus 1/15. So we'll take LCM, we will get 120, 12, 15, 8. So 27 minus 8 is equal to 19/120. So all tab will take 120/19 hours. Okay. Now question number 11. Question number 11. A, B, C together finish the work in 4 days. A, B, C can finish a work in 4 days. So A, B, C work in 1 day is equal to 1/4. If A alone can finish the same work in 8 days and B in 12 days, A and B can finish it in 12 and 8 and 12 days. 8 and 12 days. So A and B 1 day work is equal to 1/8 and 1/12. Find how long will C take to finish the work. C can finish the work is equal to 1/4 minus 1/8 plus 1/12. So first of all, take the LCM of 8 and 12. We'll got 24. 8 3s are and 12 2s are. Okay. See, I'm writing here. 1/4 minus 24, 3 to 5. So we can write 5/24. Again, take LCM of 4 and 24. We'll get 24. 4 6 are and 24 1s are. So 1/24. Okay. So C can do complete the work in 24 days. Okay. Chapter 7 is complete. Unity method is complete. In next session, we will start new chapter. Okay. Thank you, children.